we have something fun to show you.
It is a way to talk using sound.
But not using your mouth.
What's that? That's Morse Code.
Radio folks call it CW, which stands for continuous wave.
Not that kind of wave, Butter.
Radio waves.
Phew, I was getting tired.
We will show you all the letters of the alphabet.
Some sounds are short. We call those dits.
The longer sound is called a daw.
Each letter has their own short and long sounds.
At the end of the show, we will have a prize for you and to be really cool.
A, B, C, D,
E,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
M,
N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,